Hello and welcome to Easy Steps Cooking. Today I will show you how I prepare this chicken kebab. Very easy to prepare. Let's go to check the ingredients. So, for this recipe we are going to need 2 chicken breasts. I am using here an entire chicken, but if you want you can buy just the chicken breasts. Maybe it's easier. Other way, if you have the entire chicken, you can separate the breast and cut into this little pieces like 1 centimeter cubes, like this, and we put in the wok with a little bit of olive oil or other oil that you have. It's okay, it's the same, and we will cook. And I will use this chicken seasoning. This is good to give a better taste to the kebab. A little bit of salt and also, if you like, pepper. We will cook like between 5-10 minutes. We will see it changing the color of the chicken. And now we will prepare the tomato. I will cut the tomato into 1/2 centimeter slices, and then also the onion. And now I will cut the lettuce into centimeter pieces, like this. And now the chicken is already cooked, and you can see it's another color, and I cooked for about 15 to 20 minutes. And now I will prepare the bread for the kebab. I have this special bread that I will put the bread into a toaster, or also you can use a frying pan to make it hot 5 minutes each side. Now we will cut to prepare the kebab. Okay, here I am using a kebab dressing, but if you don't have it you can use also mayonnaise. We put the lettuce, the tomato and the onion, and it's almost ready. Just to finish, we will put the chicken inside and it's ready. We have the chicken kebab. If you like it, hit like, subscribe to the channel and share. Thanks, and see you in next video of Easy Steps Cooking. Bye bye.